Can you feed yourself? Oh my, good thing we lose an hour tonight. Because with the 6 p.m. bedtime, you're getting up at 5. There you go. Last bite. Okay.
He will say cheese.
Can you say cheese?
Jojo, don't make her. Look at those eyes.
More?
You
want a drink? No? All done?
I think she was tired.
Yeah, she's a little tired.
Hey, Daddy, can I have some more sushi? Hey, Daddy. Daddy, is this the one with cucumbers?
Yeah, take whatever one you want, sweetie.
I think I'll have 2.
And she's out.
Bam.
Gone.
Finished.
Night night, Kate. What do you think of Caitlin?
Oh, so beautiful.
She's tired, right? What are you eating, Joe?
Sushi.
Let me see. Take a big bite. Mamma mia. That was a big bite of sushi. You put the whole thing in your mouth? You think?
Should we leave her?
Yeah. I don't know. I feel bad.
I might just